All right, everybody, today, oh, it's your fault, bro. But today, we're gonna do something that everybody's done before. Garlic parm wings. I mean, you've seen garlic parm everything. Wings, chicken strips. I do garlic parm shrimp at my restaurant. Everybody's familiar with it. A lot of people, they like to do naked wings, which means no batter, no nothing. They just throw them in the grease naked. Then you have people that do a light batter of cornstarch or flour. Today, you already know we're using Bleu Magic all-purpose. I'm sorry, it's her fault. Anyway, you looking at me. You don't got a cut. I know, I'm getting to that. You ain't giving me a chance. Thank you. Anyway, now, we've been doing Super Bowl foods. This is gonna be another Super Bowl recipe you can use. As our season is coming to an end, you might wanna do it fat. Now, I did a 24-hour brine on my wings, which I didn't really wanna do. I want to do a 12-hour. It's a sugar and salt brine. I'm sure they'll be good. Hopefully it's not too salty. I doubt it, but technically you wanna do a 12-hour. I'm gonna dredge my wings. If you don't know how to dredge anything fried, go to my tutorial. That'll help you out. I'm not doing these some big fucking wings. I'm not doing too many drums because my wife like flats. So we're throwing them in our wet batter. And people, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. How many? How many you want, baby? You want a 12 piece? These some big wings. This one looks like it came off a young chicken. Right into our dry. I got the big bowl out today because I don't feel like doing them in sessions. Now remember I said toss, press that batter down. Now let's throw these in the fryer. We're gonna let these fry for about 13 minutes until the internal temp is 165. Till then, let's make our sauce. While our chicken is frying, let's start on our garlic parm sauce. Now listen, to all the Alfredo warriors out there and the Alfredo lovers, that's all we're making. It's similar to our Alfredo sauce. We have butter, garlic, heavy whipping cream, about a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, tablespoon of onion powder, fresh grated parm. Get you a nice little wedge of Parmesan and grate it yourself. And we have some parsley. Let's turn on our fire, melt this butter. Now that our butter is melted, I'm gonna add some garlic. That's about 4 or 5 cloves. Now let's add our seasoning. You don't ever need that much seasoning when you're making a white garlic sauce because when that cream reduces, it's just gonna make that little bit of seasoning hit harder. So I'm gonna add my parsley and my heavy whipping cream. This is a 16-ounce bottle. Once it starts boiling, I'm gonna add some parm. Then turn your fire down and let it reduce to your desired thickness. Me, I don't really want it too thick, but I don't want it too thin. I need it to stick to that chicken. So I'll probably say another minute for me, then I'll be ready. Aren't those the prettiest wings you've ever seen? Look at that. I don't even want to put no sauce on these motherfuckers. See, she's happy. These are her favorite wings. Honestly, mine is honey buffalo or just buffalo. You know, I need acid. This has no acid. This is all dairy.
I mean, you got a little acid.
Where's the acid?
It's a little bit.
Where?
I don't know. But yeah,
look at cheesy. I like the cheese part.
Right,
Just the cheese
these
part.
are fire. We was just saying, like, what's my favorite? Because y'all know we got our Korean sticky wings at the Noodle Bar, 7540. No, what's our address?
7450 West Cheyenne Avenue, Suite 102, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89129.
Restaurant drop.
Go ahead, let me know something.
Damn.
I brought me some truffle. I'm gonna just put a little bit.
I don't even need that.
I'm gonna just put a little bit right here.
I'm gonna just say this.
Spread it around.
For all you people who love to wear out Alfredo, you have to make these.
This is better.
Spit
Oh,
on.
I spit on you. These are fire, but honey buffalo or honey truffalo, fire.
Them ain't got nothing on these. I'm sorry. What's your favorite wing?
Yeah, let us know in the comments. What's your favorite wing? No lemon pepper. You can't say lemon pepper because that shit is dirty.
He hate lemon pepper. Like with a passion, y'all.
That's the dirtiest shit ever.
Yeah, I don't like lemon pepper. But yeah, Alfredo, cooking it with Kaya. Make this. I guarantee you. What's that? Get in there. I don't know nothing else to say.
It's real easy. Follow the steps. If you love Alfredo, you can use this for pasta too. You can use it for all kind of shit. The wings are fired with this sauce and this.
Gotta have that.
Gotta have this. Don't try to make this without this, okay?
You're gonna be mad.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.